Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. There's some rain to come for many places on Monday, but an improving trend for most into the middle of this week. We've got still some rather cool conditions in the forecast and some overnight frost that will be common for the Highlands. Later in the week, it does look as though things go downhill again as Atlantic weather systems return. The chart for Monday sees low pressure circulating over England and Wales, some heavy and persistent rain across northern England into North Wales at times as well, some patchy rain across the Highland, most frequent or persistent at times in more east and southeastern parts here, some bits and pieces of rain getting further westwards at times, but generally higher cloud bases the further west that you go, rather gusty easterly wind moving through. Across England and Wales, that wind will vary in direction, later on turning more northwesterly as our centre of low pressure pulls away eastwards. High rainfall totals from overnight and during the daytime could lead to some localised flooding here. By Tuesday, low pressure has moved away toward the Low Countries, but still drawing in a rather brisk northeasterly wind that will be strongest from southern Scotland south through northern England and Wales, and a marked wind chill factor across higher terrain here. Drawing in some low cloud, patchy rain and drizzle across eastern hills at times, better generally toward the west, and better conditions overall, typically western parts of the Highlands with some sunshine, the least of the wind, the further towards the northwest. High pressure is over Scotland by Wednesday. Light winds for most places here, just a bit breezier toward the central belt, and that breeze still rather keen across northern England and Wales as well. Still coming in as an east to northeasterly, drawing in some cloud banks across more eastern hills, better breaks further westwards over England and Wales. Generally a dry story though for all places by this time. And for the Highlands, good amounts of sunshine overall. Some mist and fog patches in some of the glens in the morning, touch of frost as well likely, and temperatures by day, even on the tops, still feeling rather cool. High pressure pushes further eastwards by Thursday. Looks as though it gives another good day for most places and lighter winds for England and Wales by this time. Just starting to strengthen the wind from the south in the far west of Scotland later on in the day, just ahead of some fronts starting to encroach from the Atlantic. But Thursday daytime overall should still hang on to fine conditions for most. Looks like by Friday that Atlantic influence is coming back in with strengthening south to southwesterly winds, that drawing in some rain and low cloud, particularly toward the western parts of the Highlands as fronts move in here. Drier conditions the further east that you go. England and Wales may hang on to mainly dry conditions, but near the Irish Sea, low cloud, patchy rain, maybe just at times. And several centres of low pressure out over the Atlantic do threaten to bring some rather unsettled conditions for many places then onwards into the weekend. Keep an eye on the forecasts. All your local info for 3 days ahead every day on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.